Right now, you might be worried that AI is going to take over the music industry, that making music will become so easy that music creators will become extinct. Today, I want to explain why that's not true. I think we actually might be headed towards a golden era, where music producers will become the most powerful creators in all of music thanks to AI. And here's why. Now, first off, I want to say that I'm just a guy with an opinion. Am I a genius? Probably. Did I build my own rocket as a baby because I'm so smart? Maybe that happened. Either way, here's why I think producers will win this AI apocalypse. The fear over AI taking over music comes from a misunderstanding of why music succeeds and fails commercially. All music falls along a continuum of innovation. All the way on the right side, we have music that's high in innovation. And this music isn't actually commercially successful. Think of the kind of idea where people make a 4-hour recording of a plant and they call it music. This typically isn't successful because these ideas are too esoteric, too weird. It's too innovative for most people to understand, so it doesn't succeed. Then we have music on the opposite side of the spectrum that is low in innovation, and this music tends to fail as well. Think about generic elevator music or songs that we hear in commercials or ads. This music never really gets the audience's attention because it's just not interesting enough, nor is it really meant to be. So what type of music does succeed? Often it's the music that sits somewhere in the middle. Music that's innovative enough so it feels new, novel, and interesting, but not so innovative that it isn't understandable to a large enough audience to succeed commercially. So with this continuum in mind, let's think about where AI falls. When somebody uses generative AI to make music, what comes out is derivative by definition. What this means is that whatever AI creates won't be all that interesting since AI uses what's already popular and already exists to base its creation off of. This is how AI currently works. So that means that AI music will fall on the left side of this spectrum. But that doesn't mean that AI music is now useless and that all musicians are now safe. What will happen is that there will be an actual decision maker, a person who can take these AI ideas and pick and combine the right ones and reuse and repurpose them into something new and different. Someone who understands current music and where the audience is and has the know-how to successfully take these AI ideas in a direction closer to the middle. And this is exactly why, out of all the types of creators currently in the music industry, I think music producers will be the ones who have the best chance of doing this, of being the person who can use AI ideas successfully. The reason why is because music producers already have experience doing this. This is how music production has looked like for the past few decades. Producers have already been taking pre-existing ideas and using them to build something new and innovative. But instead of sampling old records or using presets from plugins or downloading loops, these ideas will start to come from AI. And this is what gives producers this huge advantage to be able to win in the future with AI compared to everyone else. They've already been preparing for AI for decades without even knowing it. But it's not all good news. There is an extra layer to this AI revolution that producers also need to be ready for. Like I mentioned, producers already know how to take pre-existing musical pieces and put them together to create something new and interesting. But like we've seen in recent times, it's now possible to generate voices using AI too. So that means AI will give people the ability to create an actual artist soon. And this is where things start to get crazy. I think the producers who not only use AI to generate music will have an advantage, but the producers who also generate everything might end up being the biggest absolute winners. Producers who can create vocals using AI, who can create an interesting avatar of an artist using AI, who can build music videos of this avatar using AI, who can create a compelling story around this avatar, who can grow an audience for this AI-generated entity. We will soon have the ability to do all of this with little to no cost. So not only are producers in a position where they can win big using AI, I think the producers who are willing to do the most, who will use AI to create absolutely everything beyond just the production, will be the biggest winners of all. These producers will be able to cut out labels, cut out managers, A&Rs, all the people who have historically been needed to succeed in music. They will be able to succeed all on their own. And it's all just going to come down to who can use AI in the most compelling way. So that's why I think producers are in the best position to become the winners of the music industry. I'd love to hear your opinions on this. Drop them down in the comment section below. Let me know if I'm dumb for believing in this. It's all good. But yeah, I look forward to hearing your thoughts, and I will see you next week.